Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can reset the password of your Woodforest Bank's online banking account. So first of all, open any web browser on your mobile device or a desktop and type in woodforest.com and hit enter. Then it will take you to this page right here, which is the official homepage of Woodforest Bank, and over here you can see a small box written online banking. Then click on login, which is right over here, and then click the option forgot your password, which is right over here. After that, you'll have to enter your username and you'll have to follow all the steps provided to you, and finally you'll be able to reset the password of your Woodforest Bank's online banking account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more information and helpful videos like these.